In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute someone on Discord Mobile. If you've muted someone in a call and you're not hearing them, there are two ways that mute can exist on Discord Mobile, and understanding the difference will make this quick and easy. There's a personal mute, which affects only what you hear on your device, and there's a server mute, which silences that person for everyone in the call. With that in mind, let's walk through exactly how to get them talking again. Start by heading into the voice call where you currently have that person muted. Make sure you're in the correct call, since mute settings are context specific. The option you need appears when you're actually inside the active call where both of you are present. Once the call view is open, look for the participant list along the bottom or swipe up to reveal the full roster, depending on your layout. Now, find the account you muted and press and hold on their name or avatar. A small menu will pop up for that user. This is where Discord separates the two types of mute. You'll see an option for unmute, which controls your personal mute, and an option for server unmute if the person is server muted in this call. If you previously muted them just for yourself, tap unmute. This lifts your personal mute so you'll hear them again immediately, without changing how anyone else hears them. It's a great option when you only needed a brief break from someone's audio and are ready to listen again. If the person is server muted, you'll see server unmute. Choose that to lift the mute for everyone in this specific call. Keep in mind, server unmute typically requires the right permissions, like being a moderator or having a role that can manage voice participants. If you don't see the server unmute option or it's unavailable, it likely means the mute was applied at the server level by someone with higher permissions, and you won't be able to change it yourself. After you select the appropriate unmute option, you're done. The person's audio should come through as normal. If you still can't hear them, they might have themselves muted or be having mic issues, but from your side, the unmute is complete. And there you go. By joining the call, pressing and holding on the muted account, and choosing either unmute or server unmute, you can quickly restore someone's voice on Discord Mobile. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your call.